we did an assessment on like 4 different products available in the market. And Automation Anywhere seemed to be the easiest and the most intuitive to use for non-technical people. Automations has freed people's time, effort to do more useful stuff. It has definitely made work-life balance better, error reduction, and overall improvement in employee morale with the various benefits that we have gotten, apart from the obvious time save. It is extremely easy for business users to use Automation Anywhere who do not have technical skills. It's like very intuitive, straightforward. It's like a 6-month-old can operate an iPhone, right? So it's equivalent to that. The integration of Automation Anywhere with our business applications is excellent. We haven't, yet come across an application that it doesn't integrate with. The biggest metric that we actually use is annualized automated hours, and we have, if I have to wager a guess, I like off the top of my head, I think we have saved about 50,000 annualized hours. In addition, we have another 50,000 hours for monitoring, not where people aren't needed automated monitoring. So yes, it has saved us a lot of time.